Hi, everyone. This is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this Pro Trader Tips. In this edition, we're going to show stock symbol AEM, which is in the gold sector. The trade ID is 1066. You can see it was a long call in our AI infused impulse strategy. That's where we have a directional based strategy that's infused with AI, and it's been red hot, not a losing month yet. So keep an eye on more alerts from this. But the entry alert was sent out here on March 28th, and all this information shows up with any alerts that we send out at GoTrader.com. And we send you out alerts for entries, any adjustments and exits. We also give you a chart, so you not only see what the symbol is and what the option is, but you get the chart as well. And the AI gives us a target. So when we wave 3 with a zigzag in it, and the AI gives it a high score, those work out extremely well. So our target price is up around 2 or so. As you can see, the expected continuation of this wave 3, the DMI was powering higher. So I wrote here that it was high but supportive. Sometimes the ADX will go above 40 and roll over and come back down, and that gives you an exit signal. Other times, if you have a very strong move, the ADX will go up and kind of meander more horizontally for a bit, telling you that even though the move is extended, it's still really strong. So you got to kind of keep a close eye on what's going on with the ADX, and also notice that that positive directional indicator ticked up and the negative ticked down. Well, we just closed this one out, literally just today as we're recording this. So the exit here on April 1st. And notice the chart. I get asked this question all the time. It didn't quite make it up to 62 yet. So our target was just above 62. So why did we send this out? Well, a couple things in the tip. This recording is the fact that we are separated from the 10-day moving average. So we're overbought short term, which means that we could calm down. And that goes into the second part of the tip, which is when you get a big vertical move like this, especially when you have just long options, like this was a long call, they infuse the IV into the call option. So you get a little extra juice into the premium. Now, even though we may go up and hit 62 and change, if the stock goes sideways for a while and then creeps up there, that IV infusion will come in. You don't necessarily make any more on the call option. In fact, you could actually have the call option worth a little bit less without that extra IV in there. So when you get these big vertical days, and you can see boom, 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 3 straight moves to the upside here, that extra IV is something you want to capitalize, and perhaps you close it out before your actual target. So there's a lot of things that go into making decisions on whether or not you want to enter an exit or exit a trade. In the end, we generated over 40% in just those 3 days on this alert. We're going to take that every time. I hope you found this informative and look forward to talking again soon. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.